Good afternoon, everybody. All protocols duly observed. Honorable Minister, sir, it's a pleasure meeting you in person for the first time. I've already seen you bilateral discussion. I want to go straight to the point. Osun State is a model for the other southwest states and probably one of the states in Nigeria as of now. You need to clap for us. Clap for us. Since the inception of His Excellency Senator Dr. Isiaka Ademola Adeleke Nuruddin in Osun State, in Mole, things have taken another turn in Osun State. He's the first governor to actually give the corporate department a ministry of its own. And along with empowerment, you can't do empowerment without cooperative. So cooperative goes along with empowerment of the people in general. So it was a very laudable initiative of His Excellency at his coming to office. And since that time, he also scored another point by becoming the first governor after the late sage Chief Obafemi Awolowo to actually empower the cooperative movement with the sum of 1 billion naira. You are not clapping. In Osun State, that was the promise. But as time goes on, and we discovered the number of cooperative societies and cooperators that we have in Osun State, the money was raised gradually. We are moving up to 3.5 billion now for the cooperative movement in Osun State. And this is because the major problem of cooperatives is funding. Over the years, several governments have come, federal and state, and they have promised that they are going to do something for the cooperative movement. Everybody knows that there is no single household that does not have a cooperator in Nigeria, particularly in the southwest. No single household does not have a cooperator. Now, if you are looking at the population of cooperators, you know that the only way to reach out to the masses at any level at all is to use the instrument of cooperation. Now, in all those modern nations, Kenya and the European countries that we are talking about, the cooperative movement is the bedrock of the economic development. So we cannot do without cooperative either in the state level or at the national level. It is a sector that has been relegated to the background, and we need to go back to basic. Now, during the western region of the Republic of Nigeria, the First Republic, when we were under the colonial masters, the first ministry that was established was that of cooperative. And at that time, the Registrar General of Cooperative was the most powerful civil servant at that point in time. Because everything that they wanted to do, they do through the cooperative movement. That was how they were able to harness the cooperative produce and marketing unions, which helped them to export our raw cocoa from here to the western regions, like that. So they knew the purpose and the importance of cooperative, and they worked on it strictly. But over the years, after the ministry was created, the ministry was the avenue through which funds were disbursed to the cooperative movement by the state government.
We understand. Thank you very much.
Now, At the same time, we look at the challenges of cooperative management.
Okay.
Because a lot of problem practices are going on in the cooperative sector. So we set up a committee to review the laws, the existing laws in Osun State and the bylaws to measure up with modern day demands of the cooperative sector, and also to improve the management of the cooperative to make it more professional. The state government renovated and upgraded cooperative college to be running HND program like Federal Cooperative College, and to also synergize with the university, Osun State University, to run the two program, so that we're able to produce more professionals. The more professionals we have in the sector, the better for the sector. And on the issue of financing the Cooperative Bank of Nigeria we are talking about, I was part of that committee, the working committee, and my suggestion was that we should run it the way that Bank of Industry is established, so I can have a bank of cooperatives that will be funded both by the federal government and the state government in counterpart funding, and then we have the cooperators to also partner with them and do the running on their own. That one will give us a smooth running in solving the financial problem of the cooperative sector. Thank you very much.